Hello everybody, this is Abraham with North Shore Computer Services. What I got today is an iMac. It's a 24-inch, I believe, or 22, something like that. And I've made a video before about it. It had no sound. As you can see now, the sound is there. And let's see, it is controllable. And I'll play a little bit.
Talking about the last
You
4
can
years.
hear that the sound is actually present. Boy, was this a trip. I have no idea what caused this. I do know what caused the sound to disappear, but I don't know how it actually happened. Possibly this computer lived in a basement or in some humidity or something. There is a little bit of a residue on the inside, not from wet where it was drowned or something, but just higher moisture than usual. As you can see right here, these are the ports for headphones and the input. So input and output, and that's the ports that are located over here. I could not figure out how the sound could disappear because the computer was working just fine, but there was no speaker. It would be grayed out. If you watch the video, I did it about a week ago. Couldn't figure it out. So I thought it was the motherboard issue, so I ordered a new motherboard. Here it is. Now the motherboards for these things are cheap, but still, it didn't fix the issue. Working with Windows machines, I have learned that if you don't plug in your front panel inputs and outputs, the machine still works. You can connect your sound and it'll work. On some older machines, I remember there was some jumper cables you could set up and you could actually disconnect the output. But even if you disconnect the output, the volume slider would still work. On the Mac, no. It actually detects that what's plugged in to these things. And when I actually took it apart, I found that this wire, you can see that I put it together, was broken. And there is another one that was broken. Let me open it up for you. You see this red wire? Right there. That was broken too. So when I took the cover off of this, I found, oh, okay, these are my problems. Put it together, still wouldn't work. Then I did some more research and found that these connectors, let me see if I could, yeah, there you go. On the inside, they could corrode. Well, I mean, not research online. I just looked at it with a microscope. Then I took a little bit of sandpaper, just fine sandpaper, and I rubbed it between the contacts. Lo and behold, the sound started working. So actually, even though they're gold-plated contacts, they could cause sound issues. Searching through the internet, I have not found a similar problem where this particular port would cause the sound not to work. But what I did find is somebody put in, just plug in your headphones. And I'm like, let me try that. So I plugged in my headphones, and sure enough, the sound worked in the headphones, and the speaker lit up. So I knew exactly that this was the issue, because I've hunted through the whole computer, and not that many parts. Once you replace the motherboard, not much is left. I thought perhaps a video card could have something to do with the sound. It does, but only if you output the HDMI. So video card does have sound control, but only when the sound goes out through HDMI. Well, hopefully this helps somebody have a little less anxiety with their iMac. By the way, iMac 22, 24, 27, they're all using this exact same hardware. The plugins are different that goes to the board. Otherwise, it's the same hardware that works. All right, it is solved. The machine is working. Well, hopefully this helps somebody save a few bucks and enjoy. Give me likes if you like it, subscribe, and save money.